How to become QuickBooks certified. So first, what you want to do is go to the QuickBooks website, and once you're there, just simply click on Sign In right here. And if you already have an account, just simply log in. But if you don't have an account, just click on Create an Account right here, and it will bring you right here on the pricing section where you need to select a plan so that you could apply for a certification. And just simply select the plan that you want. So click on select plan, and you could also start a free 30-day trial. And once you're here, just simply pick the options that you want, then click on continue. Then just fill out all of these section. So I'm just gonna fill out mine right here. Now once that's done, you will be brought right here on the billing info. So you just simply need to fill out all of these, then click on subscribe. So once you're done with that, you will be brought to the Pro Advisor tab where you will need to complete the required training and exam. And after the certification process involves taking a pre-assessment test and completing the QuickBooks online fundamental course. And then after that, you will be taking the post-assessment test and the certification exam. So if you pass, you'll get to receive an official certificate and certification logo. And that is basically it.